Welcome back to the our South Education Academy, and today we are going to talk about our Social Studies Telangana State Board Chapter 12, World Between the World War. Okay, so in this chapter, I'm gonna talk about our all the important and repeating questions of previous year. Okay, so let's see this one here. So this is a notes, and I don't think you will need about notes, but definitely I will upload. Actually, these two maps are given. Once looked at maps, actually here it is talking about Japan, Russia, Poland, Australia. This maps is important. If you practice this map, you will get 7 marks. If you didn't get 7 or 4 marks is confirmed, but 7 marks definitely. And once look this map, these are the very important maps. This is a capital map. Okay, like Moscow and Tokyo, and you know about India. Okay, so this map is important. Okay, now let's come practice questions. So here we will see the MCQ questions, like multiple choice question. So here it is a once MCQ questions. The country following the aggressive nationalisms was France was not a member of. Okay, so such types of question it is given. So here if it is clear, then you will see here effect the economical depression was reason for the Britain and alliance has followed the policy appearance of Hitler's was. Okay, 9 10th, the two superpowers that emerged after the Second World War. Actually, that was the Russia and America and Britain. These three are emerged together. Okay, which ideas given the world by Russia revolutions. Okay, this is important. Who is the Secretary General of United National Organization? United Nation Organization. Okay, I hope you know about this. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Then let's come to the here. Which country is saved the Great Depression? Okay, like England, Russia, France, America. Which is country saved the Great Depressions? Match the following. This match the following is important because it's come in the 4 marks. Okay, that's why it is important. After that, it is about the very short question answer. So here the question is list out the main reason for World War. This is important. Why the World War held? Because of Austria and Hungary. Who is the king of Austria and Hungary? They went somewhere and they get killed, and that's World War started. Okay, what are the reason of Russia to be called the Euro-Asia power? Why we call the Russia as a Euro means Europe, Asia means we already know power. Actually, Europe means Moscow area, the capital of Russia, Moscow. It's come in Europe, and the half of the part of the Moscow it is common Asia. That's why we call that. Okay, what is the mean by the economical depression? This is important also. What were the construction of for the Versailles Treaty? This is also important. Explain the term of condition in present Germany. Okay, actually in this all questions are important. I cannot say that particularly that question only come. Okay, what were the important features of militarisms? Okay, it can. What are the ideas of promoting the welfare state? What are the concept of New Deal? These are easy type question. Explain the cases of First World War. You have to explain about the First World War, why it is held and what happened. Explain the condition that lead the rises of Nazims in Germany. Nazims like Hitler's. Okay, so actually group of peoples where the Hitler, like Hitler's casteisms you can say. Location the flowing of the map. This is important. You have to locate this. Germany, America. Germany is totally same 2 times it is given, so don't. Okay, Balkan, Russia, India, Italy, Poland. Okay, so I hope it is till here only and it is clear to you. And if you have any doubt, then definitely leave a comment and we will meet our next video. And if you are looking for the playlist, in description there is a link, you can check out. Otherwise just go to our channel, click on the playlist and you will find out there. Okay, so let's meet on next video. Jai Hind.